Welcome to the Perfect Perception Channel. We begin our journey with the British Museum. Established in the mid-18th century, this museum is a treasure trove of world art and artifacts, a testament to human creativity, history, and culture. Imagine a place where you can traverse through time from the dawn of civilization to the present. The British Museum is that place. It is home to around 8 million works spanning over 2 million years of history. What's more, this museum is one of the few major museums in the world to offer free admission. Yes, you heard it right. You can immerse yourself in the rich tapestry of human history without digging into your pocket. Let's talk about some key exhibits that you cannot afford to miss. The Rosetta Stone, discovered in Egypt in 1799, is a significant artifact. It's inscribed with 3 scripts, one of them being ancient Greek, which played a crucial role in deciphering Egyptian hieroglyphs. It's a tangible testament to the interconnectedness of ancient civilizations. Then there are the Elgin marbles, a collection of classical Greek marble sculptures that once adorned the Parthenon and other buildings on the Acropolis of Athens. Despite the controversy surrounding their acquisition, they remain a highlight of the museum's collection, offering a glimpse into the artistic prowess of ancient Greece. The British Museum isn't just a building filled with objects, it's a narrative of human history and achievement. It's a place where every artifact has a story to tell, a story that transcends borders and time. Whether you're a history buff, an art enthusiast, or just someone curious about the world, the British Museum has something for you. So next time you're in London, make sure to set aside a day for this magnificent museum. It's a journey through time and across continents, right in the heart of London. The British Museum, a testament to human history, art, and culture, surely is a must-visit. From a museum to a historic castle, we now take you to the Tower of London. This place is more than just a tower. It's a historic castle with a story that stretches back over 1,000 years. It's seen the rise and fall of empires, the crowning and execution of monarchs, and the shifting tides of history. Established by William the Conqueror in the 11th century, the Tower of London has served many roles throughout its long life. It's been a royal palace, a notorious prison, and a treasury safeguarding the wealth of the nation. Each of these roles has left its mark on the tower, making it a living piece of history. As a royal palace, the Tower of London was a symbol of power and prestige. Kings and queens resided within its walls, ruling from its strongholds. But it wasn't all grandeur and glory. The tower also bore witness to the darker side of royalty, as it served as a prison for those who fell out of favor with the crown. Its cold stone walls have held captive everyone from disgraced nobles to queens awaiting execution. But perhaps the most glittering role the tower has played is as the keeper of the crown jewels. These symbols of royal authority, from crowns to scepters, are still housed in the tower today. Their dazzling display attracts millions of visitors each year, eager to catch a glimpse of the opulence and power they represent. And let's not forget the iconic beefeaters. Officially known as the yeoman warders, these guardians of the tower have been around since the Tudor times. They not only guard the crown jewels, but also guide visitors through the tower's rich history with their riveting tales and anecdotes. The Tower of London is more than just a tourist attraction. It's a place where the past meets the present, where history comes alive. It's a place where you can walk in the footsteps of kings and queens, prisoners and guards, and feel the weight of history in every stone. The Tower of London, a place where history comes to life. Next, we move on to the residence of royalty, the Buckingham Palace. A grandeur that is hard to match, Buckingham Palace is an iconic symbol of London, a monument to history, and the heart of the British monarchy. Let's begin with the changing of the guard ceremony. This is a spectacle that draws countless visitors from around the globe. It's a tradition that dates back to the reign of King Charles II, a ceremonial procession that's as British as a cup of tea. With their iconic red tunics and bearskin hats, the guards march in perfect harmony, their polished boots striking the ground in unison. Now, let's delve into the history of the palace. Initially known as Buckingham House, it started as a townhouse for the Duke of Buckingham in the early 18th century. It wasn't until the reign of Queen Victoria in the 19th century that it became the official residence of the monarch. The palace has a staggering 775 rooms, including 19 staterooms, 52 royal and guest bedrooms, and 78 bathrooms. It's not just a home, it's a city within a city. And of course, Buckingham Palace is the Queen's residence. It's the epicenter of royal hospitality, where the Queen meets and greets heads of states and where she addresses the nation on important occasions. The palace is also where the Queen's administrative work takes place. The phrase, "the Court of St. James," refers to the monarch's administrative apparatus, which is largely based at the palace. The palace's significance extends beyond its role as a residence. It's also a symbol of national unity and continuity. During times of national celebration or crisis, crowds gather outside its gates, looking to the palace as a symbol of stability and strength. In conclusion, Buckingham Palace is more than just a building. It's a testament to the enduring nature of the British monarchy, a living piece of history, and a must-see on any visit to London. Buckingham Palace, a symbol of the British monarchy's continuity. Now let's elevate our perspective with the London Eye. This modern marvel, standing at a breathtaking 135 meters tall, is a testament to human ingenuity and a symbol of London's dynamic spirit. The London Eye, or the Millennium Wheel, as it was initially known, was opened to the public in the year 2000. It took 7 years and the combined efforts of hundreds of skilled workers to erect this iconic structure. Today it stands proudly on the south bank of the River Thames, a beacon of modern design amidst the city's historic skyline. The construction of the Eye is as fascinating as the views it offers. With a whopping 32 capsules, each one representing a London borough, the Eye can carry up to 800 people on a single rotation. And what a rotation it is! Each trip around the Eye offers a stunning panorama of the city. From the top, you are treated to a bird's-eye view of the sprawling cityscape. The vast array of architectural styles, from the ancient Tower of London to the sleek Shard, unfolds before your eyes. Look down to see the bustling city streets, the tranquil parks, and the weaving River Thames. Look up to see the sky stretching endlessly above you. It's a sight that truly puts the vastness and the vibrancy of London into perspective. But the London Eye is more than just a giant observation wheel. It's a symbol of London's ability to marry the old with the new, the traditional with the innovative. It's a testament to the city's resilience, its constant evolution, and its enduring appeal. It's a modern icon that has quickly found its place among London's historic landmarks. So next time you're in London, take a moment to step onto the London Eye. Experience the city from a different angle, from a height that offers a fresh perspective. Feel the exhilaration as you ascend, the tranquility at the summit, and the anticipation as you descend. The London Eye, offering a bird's-eye view of the city. From one high point to another, we now head to the Shard. A vertical city in its own right, the Shard is a gleaming, glass-clad spire reaching up into the London skyline. It's an architectural marvel, standing as the tallest building in Western Europe at an impressive height of 1,117 feet. This iconic structure was designed by Italian architect Renzo Piano, whose vision was to create a vertical city that houses a mix of uses. And indeed, the Shard does just that. It seamlessly blends spaces for businesses, restaurants, a 5-star hotel, and luxury residences, all under one roof. The building's design is not just about aesthetics, it's also about functionality. The Shard's tapering shape, inspired by the masts of tall ships that once anchored on the Thames, minimizes its impact on the London skyline. Its angled glass panes reflect the city and the sky, making the building blend with its surroundings during the day. Come nightfall, the Shard transforms into a beacon of light. But it's not just the outside of the Shard that's impressive. Inside, the view from the Shard offers an unparalleled experience. This open-air viewing platform on the 72nd floor provides a panoramic vista of the city. It's the only place where visitors can see the entire city at once, from the historic Tower Bridge to the modern London Eye, and everything in between. And the best part, the view is not just limited to the horizon. If you look down, you'll see the Thames snaking its way through the city, and on a clear day, you can see as far as 40 miles away. Now, that's what we call an eagle's eye view. Whether it's for the architecture, the mixed-use spaces, or the spectacular views, the Shard has something for everyone. It's more than just a building, it's a symbol of modern London, a testament to the city's ever-evolving skyline. The Shard, London's highest point, is not to be missed. Let's descend to the vibrant district of Covent Garden. Nestled in the heart of London, this bustling hub is a must-visit for anyone in search of the quintessential London experience. Covent Garden is a veritable treasure trove for shopaholics. From high-end designer boutiques to quirky independent stores, the shopping scene here is nothing short of extraordinary. Whether you're hunting for the latest fashion trends, a unique piece of art, or a souvenir to remember your London adventure, Covent Garden's myriad of shops has something for everyone. But the allure of Covent Garden doesn't stop at shopping. It's also a foodie's paradise. Here you'll find a smorgasbord of dining options that cater to every palate and budget. Whether you're craving Michelin-starred cuisine, traditional British fare, or exotic international dishes, the restaurants and cafes dotting Covent Garden will not disappoint. And let's not forget about Covent Garden's crown jewel, the Royal Opera House. This grand edifice is home to the Royal Ballet and the Royal Opera, and it's a beacon of culture and sophistication. Whether you're an opera aficionado or a ballet enthusiast, a visit to the Royal Opera House promises an unforgettable evening of world-class performances. What truly sets Covent Garden apart, however, are its street performances. As you meander through its cobblestone streets, you'll be treated to an array of street entertainers, from musicians and magicians to acrobats and comedians. Their performances add a touch of whimsy and charm to the area, making every visit a unique and memorable experience. Covent Garden is more than just a district. It's a microcosm of London's diverse and vibrant culture, a place where tradition meets modernity, and where every corner holds a new discovery. It's a place that encapsulates the spirit of London, and it's a place that leaves every visitor yearning for more. Covent Garden, where London's heart beats. We now take you to the world's leading museum of art and design, the Victoria and Albert Museum. Situated in the heart of London, the Victoria and Albert Museum, fondly known as the V&A, is a marvel of culture, history, and architecture. It's home to a staggering 2.3 million objects that span over 5,000 years of human creativity. Everything from fashion to photography, sculpture to ceramics, and textiles to theater and performance art, it's all here, waiting to be discovered. The museum's collections are as diverse as they are vast. They take you on a journey around the globe with objects from Asia, Europe, North America, and beyond. Each piece tells a unique story, offering a glimpse into the world of the artists, craftsmen, and cultures that created them. From the intricate details of a 16th century tapestry to the sleek lines of a 20th century chair, every item at the V&A is a testament to human creativity and ingenuity. But the collections aren't the only thing that makes the V&A so special. The museum itself is an architectural masterpiece. Its stunning blend of Victorian and Edwardian styles is a sight to behold, with grand halls, ornate staircases, and beautiful courtyards that are works of art in their own right. The museum's recent expansion, the Exhibition Road Quarter, adds a contemporary twist to the mix, with its innovative design and state-of-the-art gallery spaces. At the V&A, there's always something new to see. With temporary exhibitions and displays that change throughout the year, the museum offers a fresh perspective on art and design. Whether it's showcasing the latest in contemporary fashion or exploring the history of a particular culture or art form, the VA's exhibits are always enlightening and inspiring. The Victoria and Albert Museum, a treasure trove of inspiration. From man-made art, we move to nature's canvas at Hyde Park. Welcome to a green haven nestled in the heart of London, a city known for its pulsating energy and iconic landmarks. Hyde Park, one of the 8 royal parks, stretches over an impressive 350 acres, making it one of the largest parks in the city. The park is not just a vast expanse of greenery, though. It's punctuated by the Serpentine, a beautiful, man-made lake that meanders through the park's heart. The Serpentine is more than just a pretty sight. It's a hub of activity where you can rent a paddle boat, take a refreshing swim, or simply relax by the water's edge, watching the world go by. Hyde Park is also home to a unique feature that champions the spirit of free speech, Speaker's Corner. This area of the park, located near Marble Arch, is a testament to democratic ideals. It's here that anyone can take a stand, literally, and voice their opinions on any topic, as long as they abide by the laws of the land. From fiery political debates to philosophical musings, Speaker's Corner has seen it all, making it a fascinating living monument to the freedom of speech. But Hyde Park isn't just about serene landscapes and spirited debates. It's also a vibrant venue for concerts and events. Over the years, it has played host to some of the biggest names in music, with its open-air concerts drawing crowds from all over the world. The park also hosts Winter Wonderland, an annual festive event that transforms the park into a dazzling winter spectacle, complete with a Christmas market, ice rink, and a plethora of festive activities. Hyde Park, London's backyard, is a breath of fresh air in the heart of the city. Whether you're a nature lover seeking solace, a history buff intrigued by its rich past, or a music aficionado looking for the next big concert, Hyde Park has something for everyone. So the next time you find yourself in London, make sure to take a stroll through this verdant oasis. You never know what you might discover. Next, we explore the home of European art at the National Gallery. Nestled within the heart of London, this remarkable institution offers a treasure trove of art that spans 7 centuries. The best part? Entry is completely free. Yes, you heard that right. Free access to some of the world's most celebrated works of art. As you walk through the gallery's illustrious halls, you'll be greeted by iconic masterpieces from the 13th to the 20th centuries. The collection is a spectacular representation of the vast evolution of art, featuring everything from the early Renaissance to the French Impressionists. You'll find yourself face to face with Van Gogh's Sunflowers, Da Vinci's The Virgin of the Rocks, and Turner's The Fighting Temeraire, among countless other revered pieces. But it's not just about the art. The building itself is a work of art. The National Gallery is housed in a grand, neoclassical building designed by William Wilkins. Its facade, overlooking Trafalgar Square, is as iconic as the artworks it houses. The interior is just as impressive, with high ceilings, ornate decor, and an abundance of natural light that beautifully illuminates the artworks. It's a place where the architecture and the art within it truly go hand in hand. Visitors can also participate in daily guided tours, talks, and workshops, all designed to deepen your appreciation of the art. There's even a family-friendly audio tour for the little ones to enjoy. The National Gallery is more than a museum. It's an immersive experience that encourages you to connect with art on a personal level. So whether you're an art aficionado, a history buff, or simply a curious traveler, the National Gallery is a must-visit. It's not only a place to see art, it's a place to experience art. It's a place where you can step back in time and witness the evolution of creativity, expression, and human thought. The National Gallery, a feast for the art lovers. Finally, step into the world of Shakespeare at the Globe Theatre. The Globe, as it's often referred to, is not just a theater, it's a time machine transporting us back to the time when the greatest playwright in history, William Shakespeare, unveiled his masterpieces. Located on the south bank of London's River Thames, the Globe Theatre pays homage to the original Elizabethan playhouse where Shakespeare himself staged his plays. The original theatre, built in 1599, was unfortunately destroyed by fire. The current edifice, erected in 1997, is the result of tireless efforts to replicate the original theater's design, making it the world's only authentic reconstruction of an open-air Elizabethan playhouse. But what sets the Globe apart isn't just its historical significance. It's the unique experience of watching a play there. Here the audience is as much a part of the performance as the actors themselves. The theater is designed in a circular shape with the stage at the center, allowing spectators a 360-degree view, truly immersing them in the performance. Whether you're standing in the yard, just as the groundlings did in Elizabethan times, or sitting in one of the 3 tiers of galleries, the Globe ensures you're in for an unforgettable experience. Moreover, the Globe is not just about Shakespeare. It's a vibrant, dynamic venue that stages plays from all eras, hosts educational events, and even offers tours that take you behind the scenes, revealing the theater's fascinating history and its modern-day workings. But of course, it's the magic of Shakespeare's plays performed under the open sky that are the Globe's true draw. To watch Romeo and Juliet, Macbeth, or A Midsummer Night's Dream here is to experience them as they were meant to be seen, in a setting that brings their words and characters vividly to life. The Globe Theatre, where stories come alive.